टू आवर चैनल। आज हम लेकर आए हैं आपके वो सवाल जो आपको समर्स और रेनी सीजन में परेशान करते हैं। उस सवाल के जवाब देने के लिए आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है डायरेक्टर ऑफ ब्लॉसम स्किन हेयर लेजर क्लिनिक डॉक्टर नौकिया। चलिए इनको जानते हैं।
Hello friends, it is for your information that our skin is the largest organ of our body. So our skin is unique, it gives protection to the internal organs and helps in maintaining the temperature regulation of our body. So you are to have a healthy skin.
What is sunburn and what causes it?
Sunburn is caused by the overexposure to the UV radiation, which triggers the inflammatory response on the skin, damaging skin cells, leading to redness, pain, and sometimes blisters on the skin.
Sir, why do people get easily sunburned?
You are definitely at a high risk if you have a light skin, freckles, blue or green eyes, or red or blonde hairs. Also, people who spend a lot of time in the outdoors and live near the equator or a high altitudes are more prone for the sunburn.
So, can we apply ice on sunburn directly?
Ice cannot be directly applied on the sunburn. You can apply the ice water to make a cold compresses. A cool shower or the bath also helps, but avoid long exposure and harsh soaps, which can dry and irritate the skin further.
Sir, what is the easiest way to heal sunburn in home?
That includes take a pain reliever, cool the skin, come indoor, apply moisturizer, drink plenty of water, stay fully protected from sun, use soothing medicated creams.
Sir, can milk really soothe in sunburn?
Yes, definitely, because it contains lactic acid, which act as a gentle exfoliant. Soak the clean cloth in the milk and apply it for 10 to 15 minutes on the skin. The proteins seal in the moisture, help the skin faster.
सर, अब तो ये सनबर्न की बातें बहुत हो गई। अब है ना, मुझे जानना है कि एक्ने के रिगार्डिंग पेशेंट्स की बहुत है ना क्वेश्चंस हैं कि एक्ने समर में फैल जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा वर्स हो जाता है। तो व्हाई डज एक्ने गेट वर्स इन समर?
It's a very good question. Acne, basically, it's a very common problem. You can say 80% of the teenagers, they have it. It gets worse in the summer season, rainy season, due to increased oil and sweat production, which clogs the pores. Warmer temperature and humidity can cause body to produce more sebum, oil, and sweat, which combines with the dirt, dead skin cells, and bacteria, which can easily clog the pore and acne breakouts.
So what causes folliculitis in hot weather?
Basically, this folliculitis is inflammation of the hair follicles. It is more common in the summer due to the increased sweating, heat, and friction. These conditions create an environment where bacteria can infect the hair follicle, leading to the red itchy bumps and pimples. Tight clothes, friction during the exercise, and unclean hot tubs and pools can also lead to folliculitis.
सर, ये हो गई folliculitis की बातें। अब पेशेंट्स की है ना क्वेश्चंस हैं फंगल इन्फेक्शन को लेकर। जब भी है ना समर आते हैं, हमारे पास फंगल के ना इन्फेक्शन के लिए पेशेंट्स बहुत आ जाते हैं। तो व्हाई इट इज कॉमन कि है ना हॉट वेदर और समर में फंगल इन्फेक्शन ज़्यादा कॉमन है?
Warm, humid condition, sweat retains the moisture in the skin to create perfect atmosphere for fungi to grow, leading to the fungal infection. That's why in summer Tinea pedis, athlete's foot, Tinea cruris, jock itch, and yeast infections are more common in the summer. Shared environments like pool, gym, locker room increase the spread of the fungal infections.
जैसे अभी रेनी सीजन की है ना बारी आ रही है, तो ना पेशेंट्स पूछते हैं कि हमें समर में तो सनस्क्रीन नेसेसिटी है, हमने बताई हुई है, क्या रेनी सीजन में भी हमें सनस्क्रीन लगाना ज़रूरी है?
Yes, definitely it is must. High humidity in monsoon can compromise the skin barrier. So gentle cleanser use on the face, apply moisturizer, and sunscreen use is must. Up to 80% of the UV rays can still penetrate clouds. Even when it is overcast, UVA rays, the one responsible for the aging and pigmentation, reaches your skin, and so daily sunscreen is to be applied. It is must.
So sunscreen is a necessity, even it's on a rainy day. Okay. So what kind of sunscreen should I apply?
You choose a lightweight, water-resistant, gel-based sunscreen, and it should be broad spectrum, UVA, UVB protection. If your skin tends to get oily or sweaty in the humid weather, go for non-comedogenic and matte finish formulas.
So how often should I apply sunscreen if I'm indoors or in rainy season, if I'm not sweating?
If you are even in the indoors, reapply every 3 to 4 hours. But if you get wet in the rain or are sweating, reapply every 2 to 3 hours for effective protection.
चलिए हो गए सारे क्वेश्चन के जवाब। अब मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक आप प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें एंड थैंक यू डॉक्टर नौरिया फॉर हेल्पिंग।
Thanks Meenakshi for doing all this.